A very good evening to everyone. I am Kirti Dyal, your host for today, and I am pleased to have you all here with us for this webinar hosted by the SCRMP Pharmacy Wing, West Bengal chapter. The topic for today's webinar is From Literature to Publication Mastering the Art of Writing High Impact Review and Research Papers. Now, before we dive into the session, let me take a moment to introduce you to the organization behind this initiative. Founded in 2024 and based in Telangana, India, the Society of Clinical Research and Medical Professionals is dedicated to empowering healthcare professionals and advancing clinical researches with a focus on innovation, collaboration, and education. SCRMP supports the growth of life sciences and clinical research, driving a meaningful impact on global scale. We offer a variety of membership options designed to support students, researchers, and professionals at every stage of their careers. These memberships come with exclusive access to educational resources, networking capabilities, and events like today's lectures. As a lifetime member, you will enjoy valuable benefits, including internship in pharmacovigilance and medical writing through our collaboration with Novo Evidence, as well as free manuscript publication in our journal. Joining SCRMP is an excellent step towards enhancing your professional journey while having valuable industrial connections. Now, let me take a moment to introduce our esteemed speaker for today, Mr. Zubair Khan. He holds a Master of Pharmacy degree in Pharmacology from Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi, and is currently pursuing his PhD in Pharmacology from ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab, which is affiliated to IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. He qualified his GPAT and NIPER JEE exams in 2020 and currently serves as a research scholar and assistant professor at ISF College of Pharmacy. With over 4.6 years of experience in academic teaching and research, Mr. Khan has made a significant impact on scientific community. He has authored 35 research and review articles and contributed to 3 ebooks and holds 2 Indian patents along with 1 design patent in the United Kingdom. His research interests includes translational neuroscience, molecular neurobiology, drug discovery, and identifying diagnostic biomarkers for neurodegenerative diseases. Currently, his research focuses on molecular pathways such as GLP-1, PI3, JNK, BASE1, gamma secretase, etc. pathways. His impressive work and compelling presentations at national and international conferences highlights his communication and oratory skills. With that, I'd now like to invite Mr. Zubair Khan to begin today's session. Over to you, sir.
Hello, good evening. I'm audible. Thank you, Kirti, for introducing me. I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone, for joining the today's lecture. As my introduction is already been done by Kirti. I'm Zubair Khan, currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab. Thank you for joining for today's lecture. The topic of webinar presentation is From Literature to Publication, Mastering the Art of Writing High Impact Review and Research Paper. Let me share my slide. Can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Before proceeding further, I would like to introduce a little bit of myself that I am Zubair Khan. I did my master's degree in field of pharmacology from Jami Hamdard, and I also qualified pharmacy entrance exam like GPAT and NIPER in the year of 20. And my research area is on working on diagnostic biomarker in the field of neuroscience, neuropharmacology, and currently my PhD research working on the disease that is multiple sclerosis. And I'm also working on collaboratively in other disease, other neurological disorders such as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Huntington disease, obsessive compulsive disorders. Here is my profile, which I have added here in the slide. Yeah. Let's begin with the term scientific writing. We have. I hope you have all listened this word scientific writing. What is scientific writing? First of all, we need to understand what is scientific writing is a way of communication. How we can communicate if we have any information in a clear, in a concise, and objective manner. Our information should be very clear. What we want to deliver to the other research community, okay, it should be clear. It should be based on the facts, on evidence, based on the objectivity. It should also follow a structure, a logical format. हमें अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कम्युनिकेट करना है, ठीक है. हमारा कोई रिसर्च वर्क है, वी हैव डन इन द लैब, सो इट शुड फॉलो. सॉरी, कैन स्टार्ट.
Yes, sir. Sir, the first question is it necessary to use highly advanced vocabulary in research writing?
Highly advanced
Vocabulary in research writing.
If you are talking about highly advanced vocabulary writing, you have to maintain the technical language. It should not be more complex. बहुत ज़्यादा complex भी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि readers को समझ नहीं आ रहा. It should be in simplified form कि readers उसको read कर पा रहे हैं, ठीक है. ऐसे words ऐसे use नहीं करने हैं जिससे readability जो है वो decrease हो जाए, या बहुत ज़्यादा generalize नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इंफॉर्मेशन यू वांट टू डिलीवर, इट शुड नॉट बी जनरलाइज कि आपने बहुत ही जनरली बोला है, ठीक है. तो यू हैव टू चेक दैट.
Okay, sir. So the next question is, what are the current best journals to publish our articles?
What are the best journal to publish? So ये question, it is a broad question. You have to check in which field you want to publish your articles. The manuscript, in which domain you are writing your manuscript. If you are writing in the field of neuroscience or in other fields, you have to check accordingly. For example, if you want to choose the suitable journal, you have to check the content, the question of your articles. And as I mentioned in previous slides, you can find the journals and find the journal tools, and accordingly you can select the best journal.
Okay, sir. The last question is, as a master's research scholar, should I choose an animal-based or non-animal-based study?
Again, please.
Sir, as a master research scholar, should I choose an animal-based study or a non-animal-based study?
It depends on your interest area. If you want to work on animals, preclinical, you can choose the preclinical works. You want to work on animals. If you want to work on if you want to perform or conduct the clinical research, you can go through them. Like in PharmD, students generally conduct the clinical research either in the form of retrospective, prospective research, or it may be questionnaire based. So you have to do accordingly.
The oral presentation segment. Each participant will have 3 minutes for their presentation, followed by 1 minute of question and answer. And kindly make sure that your presentation is completed within the time limit. Participants are allowed and required to share their screens and switch on their camera.
My business screen is visible.
Yes, Mr. Purel, kindly put it on slide slow.
Okay, ma'am. So, good evening to everyone. So, today I am here to present my research on the best entitled on exploring the neuroprotective role of isoquercetin in the against rotenone-induced Parkinson disease-like symptoms in adult zebrafish. So at first we have to know what is Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease is the second most prevalent neurodegenerative disease, primarily characterized by different types of motor deficits like gait problems, walking abnormality, and so many types of uh, non-motor symptoms like depressions, anxiety-like disorders. Okay, in brain, substantia nigra, pars compacta, and striatum are the generally part which are affected during the Parkinson disease. So in this research, I have used as my neurotoxin to induce Parkinson disease, that is rotenone, which obtained from Fabaceae family, and it is a naturally obtained insecticides and pesticides. So that is potentially inhibits the mitochondrial complex 1 and 4, and it exerts its toxic effect by causing dopaminergic neuronal death in the substantia nigra pars compacta region. And in this project, I have used the drug that is actually quercetin, and it is obtained.
All presents were good. Out of them, I have selected three candidates for the first position, second position, third position, and the first position goes to Mr. Pratyush Porel for his presentation, and second is Anusha, and third goes to the Mujibur Rahman. These are the first and second and third candidates.